wanted to show y'all my new apartment. So, front door. This is the hall closet. And this is the laundry room. I have my own washer and dryer, so they have to take this out. Like if you don't have a washer and dryer, you can work it out with them to get a washer and dryer from them. And then I have storage space, and that's the water heater area. So nice. Little thermostat, little action. I have valet trash, so that's what that is over there. This is the dining room. And I have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So this is what the bathroom looks like. And my first bedroom. And I feel like my rooms at my old apartment is bigger, but you know, it is what it is. So this is like the living room, and then I have a nook. So then, you know, I have a fireplace and my patio. So nice, ceiling fan. Window right there. This is the second bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Master bedroom, walk-in closet. I have a lot of space in the storage space in the closet. And this is the master bathroom. What is this? Pantry. I mean, not the pantry, where you put the linen. And yeah. But baby, this kitchen is the kitchen for me. It's the kitchen for me. Yes, darling. Marble, you know what I'm saying? The bomb cabinet tree, get up action, stainless steel, darling. I got the microwave, so, you know, electric. And, oh, okay, it's clean. You know, clean little action. Refrigerator, freezer. You know, all ready to go. So, yes, this is my new place. I love it. Hope you guys like it. And yeah, I gotta go because I got stuff to take out the car. I'ma holla. Deuces.